say you want to delete Calico from your Kubernetes cluster. Let's see how to do that. So first thing, I'm going to search for Install Calico. Click on the first link there, installing on premises deployment. That is my use case. If you have a self-managed cluster, that's the option you go with. So depending on how you installed it or how you want to install it, depending on how you installed it, that's the option you're going to select from here. If you installed via the Calico operator, just stick with that. If you installed via the manifest, stick with that. I'm going to go with the operator. So I'm going to click there to get this, and I'll open VS Code, put them in there, Ctrl V, come back, and this one as well. I will need this, download that, Ctrl V. So basically we're just using the commands for installing Calico to uninstall it. And then this one as well for creating the custom resources, Ctrl V, put it there. And I want to do this in the CD. I want to do this in the temp directory. So I'm just going to CD into /tmp. So here, what you'll need to do is just change the create to delete. And I'm going to do Ctrl D, and then make this delete. And most importantly, you want to start with this, okay? So bring this first to delete that, and then we're going to delete this. So start with that and then that, okay? I'm just going to copy everything. I want to run it in one go. So I'm going to copy the entire thing, come back to where kubectl is set up, Ctrl V, and just to make sure kubectl get pods in the Calico namespace, Calico system. There we go. We have some, you can see we have Calico there. So that means Calico is installed, and we're going to uninstall it. Ctrl L, Ctrl V to paste everything in there, and then enter. So these have been deleted. Let's wait for the next part. So this is the first item, which is that the custom resources have been deleted. So run that first, and then you run this. If you start with this, you're going to have a problem. There we go. The rest are being deleted. So right now, Calico is deleted. Let's go and look at the resources. kubectl get pods in the Calico namespace, and there are no resources in the Calico namespace. That means it has been installed. It has been uninstalled. Let's look at all to get all the resources in this namespace to see if there's anything remaining. There we go. You've just uninstalled Calico. All right, that's it. Until next time.